All right, what's good, everybody? Look, it's early in the morning. Your boy is headed into work. I do not want to go to work right now, but I gotta get it. I gotta get this money. We back vlogging. We're gonna be dropping a lot of content, fun shit, videos, reactions, everything in between. Instead of doing like daily vlogs or something like that, I'll just do it throughout my week. Yeah, vibe with me, rock with me. All right, man. State your name, my nigga.
Nigga, it's SMB Jeezy. Jeezy 3 times. Box State City of the Store. Box State represent T, baby. You know what I'm saying? MTV Cribs.
We gotta make sure the pasta's extra cheesy. Show,
you know what I'm saying?
Show the people extra cheesy for the linguizi. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm messing with these though. They might need to look out. Yeah, I like it. Oh, yeah. Blessed and competent styles. You know what I'm saying? Hello.
Franklin says each rock will be about the size of a pool ball. We break them down to 1/10 of a gram each.
Oh, shit. That's my blood brother, bro.
See, you niggas out there depend on a nigga to get you right. Although I went to the barber, nigga, I'm about to get myself right. Some light, but some right, my nigga.
I just got back to the crib from work. The vlog might be a little bit scattered, but as y'all can see, my hair is done. Daniel son, you know, smoking on some of that Blanco from the cookies, you know. But anyway, look, I'm waiting on my dude to hit me back right now. And we're gonna see about this music video.
Look at this nigga here. This nigga pulled up with the briefcase. Thinking the man behind the lens. Lady, watch out. Okay, this nigga got his own thing going on. Collecting claws. Oh shit, nigga. Damn, nigga. We just. Oh shit, man. Hey, man, this nigga.
Oh my goodness. Shannon put a slap in her cutties with
What up, niggas?
I kind of listened to
Hey, look, you know what I'm saying, nigga, I'm faded. You know what I'm saying, nigga been working all week, doing my thing. It's Christmas Day.
I got potato. I taught this nigga how to make a potato in the microwave.
Potato in the microwave. Okay, well, look. We about to go see.
Leave in it.
Hey, look. We about to go. Look, we about to go see what it's looking like. But there's a potato in the microwave. This is my first time. Baked potato. So K-Dub, we need you to saute this motherfucking potato.
Open that shit. Open that shit and show him.
Why we have to saute?
That should be right. Yeah. Put a fork in it. I just said, hold on. And look,
Nigga, that look like a regular ass potato if you ask me, nigga. Hold on, cut that motherfucker open, nigga. Gabe related. Ooh.
Oh, it's nice and smooth too. Oh. Well, she wasn't lying though. Hold on.
That motherfucker popped open into that motherfucker though. Ooh.
butter, nigga. Put some motherfucking sour cream up in that motherfucker, nigga. Oh, that might be the motherfucking one, nigga. Oh, god damn.
So I come in to ask my nigga, I said, look, bro, you need any help for tonight's dinner? Hey, real niggas, you gotta get money. But I was like, nigga, this nigga, I was wondering what this nigga doing. Look at what this nigga doing, yo.
Nigga. Call of Duty on Christmas. Mobile.
Mobile. Wow. Different. He's different. Oh, I'm just spoiled. I can't wait to open this up. I got some cookie stuff, and this is my cookie shit, my nigga. Hold up, man. All the cookies. And I got 9 different strains up in here. You got the sticky buns. You got some cake mix. You got some limoncello, some blanco, some Gary Payton, some white runts. You got some Georgia pie. I also got some honey buns, some sticky buns, honey. I got to. I can't just unbox it later. I gotta unbox it now. Hey, it was good, everybody. My name's Khalil. Call me Cool and K. For me. How do I open this? I don't wanna fuck it up. Oh yeah.
I kind of did. I opened it before so I can see it. So maybe we should redo this. I don't know if you want me talking.
Oh, don't tell me. Is this one of the Rolling Trays that plays music? No?
No, but it lights up. Double press it. There's more colors. No, double and tap it.
I don't want it to get motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? The copyright, but this nigga can't just beat me in 2K. I'm mad. Fuck this nigga. Fuck the New York Nets or the Brooklyn Nets. About to edit this vlog. It's gonna be the end of the vlog. Peace, love, hair grease, subscribe, all the shit. I didn't really do shit this week, but go to work, get my hair done, and hang out. Happy holidays, motherfuckers. Happy holidays, everybody. Happy holidays, everybody.